Hey, in front of me is NOKIA X10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Nokia smartphone. First of all, open Settings and scroll down right away, then tap on Security section. Now you need to click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you that you wish to set up, pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, you need to create your login method and then choose Next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. Just confirm at the bottom right corner as well. And click on one of those options to answer the question above. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so I have to tap on it and select Done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!